Do you know these interesting facts about Amazon rainforest? The last fact is most interesting. The Amazon rainforest makes about 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the name lungs of the earth. It covers 2.1 million square miles, making it the largest rainforest in the world. The Amazon is home to about 10% of all the species on Earth. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. It rains almost every day in the Amazon, making it very humid and full of different plants and animals. Subscribe for such more interesting facts.